Hello, my daily fivers. These directions are so important. So, listen up. The first thing you're going to do is read or listen to chapter 3 of The Case of the Gasping Garbage. If you want to read it, you can click on the read button, or you can go over to the flower bin at my desk, open it. There's a real gasping garbage inside. Okay? If you want to hear me read it, you'll click on this little yellow video and I'll read along with you as you read it to yourself. Then, this is so important, you're going to stop. I'm going to add a big stop sign next, okay? You're going to stop and go to this worksheet right here and do this. It's so important that you do this worksheet first. It's on Wiser. You'll sign in with Google because here's chapter 3 again if you need it. It's going to ask you to make a prediction. And a prediction is where you guess what's going to happen next. So you don't want to read ahead because then you'll know the answer. Okay? After you've made your prediction, you can hit hand it in, and then you can go back and check out chapter 4 to see if you were correct. As always, let me know if you need help.